from her thinking it's a single family. I didn't know it was a duplex. And it turned out the deal was actually better than what I was, thought. So sometimes these blind offers can be good or it can be really bad. If I thought it was a duplex and it turned out to be a single family, then my numbers would have been off. Okay, so I did get it for $4,500. Since we're talking about the property acquisition and everything like that, I basically put $2,000 of my money into this property right now. I put a $2,000 earnest deposit with the offer. My closing cost was like 21 and change. So, and I got private money for this property. Private money person is actually my best friend in New York who's got crap load of money, who never thought about doing what with his money. So after speaking with him, showing him also what group I'm part of, he can see all these pictures and everything like that. There's credibility in that part. So he said, let me take a gamble. For him it was a gamble. For me it was telling him and showing him how much he can make instead of keeping that money in the bank, basically. So